To access Moby's Charts and Graphs feature, log into your account and navigate to the MobyMax Central for School Admins page and click the Charts and Graphs link in the Admin Reports section. Here you can view charts and graphs that can help you visualize progress at the school, classroom, and student level. Within each level, you can choose to view data for all modules or any individual module. At the school and classroom levels, select from the dashboard categories on the left side of the window to see data on usage, activity, skills, and progress. When you select any of the reports in each category, you will see the data clearly displayed in a chart or graph. For example, click the Average Usage Each Day for Time Period link to see student usage during a specific time period. Use the drop-down menus to filter the data by grade level and selected time period. By hovering over the graph, you can quickly see the results. At the student level, you can see data on usage, skills, and progress for selected students. For example, select a student, then click the Grade Level Progress Each Month link, hover over the graph to see general information, or click on a plot to see detailed results. You can also click the Chart Details link to see a printable version of the report, which makes it easy to share student results during parent conferences. Finally, you can designate any of the reports as a favorite by clicking the star next to the name of the report, making it easy to quickly view the information you find the most valuable.